Oh man, where do I start? Where do I begin? So, it's been a while, long while, probably like 6 months now, since I posted my last video. But basically, just been working really. I'm moving. Actually, let me just show you guys. I'm currently in the process of moving. You can see my garage is basically empty. Took all of my tools, my dad's tools down. I'm just finishing up now. So yeah, currently in the process of moving, which sucks. I hate moving, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And yeah, just been working. Now, how's the IS300? Which I'm pretty sure a lot of you are wondering, because I haven't posted in so long. And well, I don't have the IS300 anymore. I don't have it anymore mainly because since I work, my job is not close to my house whatsoever, and we're moving to, it's actually going to be farther from where I work. My job is located in, Fort Lauderdale. I live in Miramar. If you're from Florida, you know that's kind of a far distance from each other, Fort Lauderdale and Miramar. But yeah, so that's basically it. That's my dad's truck, his Jeep. IS isn't here, but I had to get a car to get to work. So what did I get? Had to join them. If you can't beat them, join them. No, I'm kidding. I got the car mainly because, since I work far as hell, I had to get a car that was a little better on, what I'm saying, gas, and didn't have to take no premium gas. You know what I mean? Your boy not rich out here, but this is just a daily whip. Got it for a pretty good price. Brand new tires on it, and it's manual. IS300 wasn't manual, but yeah. So this isn't permanent, obviously not, because I love IS300s. I can't get rid of them. That's why I got a second one after my first one I had to get rid of. So this is just something temporary, and also I don't know where we're moving, if there's even going to be enough space for me to have a second car. So I gotta take that into account for my parents, because they have their own cars, and they obviously have to park somewhere. So yeah, I got me a nice clean little Civic, nice and small, good on gas. It's actually really good on gas. I was surprised the difference in the gas and how good it was from the IS. But again, it's temporary. I am gonna get another IS300, and it's been so long, I'm just kind of updating you guys. And I do want to make videos, so I am probably going to be doing some things to this Civic as a daily, because it's it looks okay, but it's not something that I'd say I'm super proud of dailying just yet. Paint's fading, hood is plasti dipped or wrapped black for whatever reason, probably because the hood paint is so bad. Let me see. Yep, we got fading all over, but I mean, again, it's not super terrible. It's not a bad car at all. We got blacked out taillights. I love blacked out taillights, so that's a plus. Let me show you guys the inside of the car. Do I have my keys? I don't have my keys. Did I lock the door? Of course I did. I'm gonna go ahead and get the keys so I can show you guys how it looks on the inside. So we back now. You can see interior is pretty clean. It's pretty clean. The guy worked at that tire shop who sold it to me. He put those mats in there. There's one over here. It's pretty nice of him. Gotta change the radio. Radio doesn't work. What else? I mean, it's manual. Said that before. Amazon Prime package in here. So yeah, it's pretty clean on the inside. Really no complaints. No check engine lights. AC's cold. It's really a great car. I cannot complain about this car at all, and I absolutely love it. I'm glad that I got this as a daily now, because the next IS I get, now I don't have to drive around and put miles on, because I'll have this car to do that. So obviously I want to make this car look a little nicer than what it does now. I'll probably put some wheels and lower just a little bit and call it a day, just to keep it as stock-ish as possible. I don't want to go ham and freaking go all out and build this Civic. I really just want to make it look nice, just a daily around in. I probably would maybe paint it, maybe, or try to do it myself. That'd be actually a pretty good video, seeing how it comes out. And if I do mess it up, then I'll take it to a shop to get it done there. But you know, I want to make it look nice, daily it around. It's really nice. The car is great. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. And now I know that this is gonna be my dedicated daily car. So when it comes time to actually get an IS, I won't have to worry about driving it around, because that was one thing I always kept trying to do, was get a daily so I can park up the IS, build it in the garage, have it as a garage queen, and just let it sit in there until it's done. Now, depending on where we move, obviously, pretty sure we're gonna have a house with a garage, which would be great. But you know, having the car, what's it called? Yeah, having the car as a daily, and you know, it being good on gas is a plus for sure. Saves me money. Definitely saves me money. Allows me to use that money to do more things, which is great. If I'm holding the camera weird, it's because I don't have my little Gorilla Pod thing that attached to the bottom of the camera to hold it. I'm actually just holding the camera body itself. Again, because we're moving and I don't know where I put everything. It's probably in a storage unit somewhere. But yeah, why is it so hot? But yeah, man, so that's just an update. So prepare to see some Civic content. Had to sell the IS because the way things were looking, you know, had to sell her. I didn't want to. I really didn't want to, and I actually regret it. But at the same time, I don't, because I got a car that's good on gas. It's a great daily, no problems, easy to build. Parts are a lot cheaper. Getting wheels and coilovers are a lot cheaper than getting wheels and coilovers for an IS300. Like 100%, it's just cheaper all around. So it wouldn't take me long to get wheels and coils on this car. And then I'll look into getting a IS300 to build. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. That's the plan, at least. So if you guys want to stick around for the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Like this video, it really does help out the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Your boy is out.